Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send files from phone onto your Lenovo Legion. To do it, go to, my favorite method is going to the browser, then searching for pairdrop.net. Now it'll show you this website, and if you are on the same network, then you can just go to that same website on your phone. And if I go onto it, then I'll be displayed here, and on my phone, the laptop will be displayed on the list. Although if you're not on the same network, you can click on that button to pair device that's not on the same network. And then I'm gonna close that website. Let's see if the iPhone has disappeared. Yes. And now I'm gonna switch my network on my phone to make it legit, and then I'm just gonna scan the QR code and click on that. Then it'll open the website on my phone, and the devices are paired even though they are on the same network. And now I can just click on my laptop, on my phone, on the icon that displays my laptop, select either photo library, take a photo or video, or choose files. I'm gonna take a photo now. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on use photo, and it'll be sent. Here I can just click on accept, and it'll get downloaded. Since I'm not on the same network now, it'll take a bit longer than as if I was on the same network, but you're still able to send the file, and here it'll be downloaded. Of course, if you're using Microsoft Edge and this pop-up disappears, you need to click on three dots, then downloads, and it'll be here. Now I can open the file, and you can see I have it on my laptop. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.